Hey guys, this is Kelsey from Frankly Natural Beauty. I apologize if I sound a little under the weather. It's because I kind of am. And we took a break for the holidays.
We did. We were very busy. We were making soap, bath bombs, everything so fast almost every day. So we took like, I don't know, 4 or 5 days off after that, after the first of the year. Try to, relax a little bit, have some fun with my family. And now we said, okay, we have to get going again. So this is the first video of the year. And what are we making today, Kelsey? What are we making?
Today we are making heart soaps. They're heart-shaped soaps for Valentine's Day.
And Mother's Day. We're going to make more. They're going to be a little bit different colors, but they're going to have the same theme. Okay, before we start doing our soaping, I want to wish everybody Happy New Year. I hope everybody is going to have a fantastic year. And also, what do I always say? Yeah, we're going to try really hard to make more videos this year. And, kind of like schedule everything like we didn't do that last year. We were just playing around. I think we're going to take it more seriously. And if you guys are new to our channel, please subscribe at the end of the video. If you like this, subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Because what happens if you do that? YouTube puts us up there so people can see our videos, right?
That is correct.
Okay, so let's not waste more time and let's go into the soap. Let's make the soap,
Let's get soaping.
Okay, guys. So what I have in my little pot over here, I'm not making a lot of these because they're going to be different scents. Today we're going to have our essential oils of lavender and spearmint right here together. Lavender mint, that's what they're going to be. Those are the first one I'm making for this month. They're going to be ready around February, the middle of February, well, before the middle of February. Anyway, there we are. So we have, if you follow us, if you watch our videos, you should know what we have in here. We have our usual recipe made of castor oil, palm oil, olive oil, and coconut oil. Right, Kelsey? And sweet almond oil. That's one thing I forgot almost. Okay, so we're not going to put any additive in there today except for the fragrance oil, for the essential oil and the coloring. That's all, and the mica. Alright, so let me go and burp my blender here. We're going to burp because we don't want anything in there. And I'm going to put my lye solution, water and lye together, in there. There we go. All in there. And what I'm gonna do, I am going to blend it a little bit until it reaches trace. Or like we say in Italian, nastro. So I'm gonna show you what I mean. Okay, so I'm gonna go blend a little bit and come back. Okay guys, here we go. We have a very light trace here. And what it is when I do this, I don't know if you can see it. You can see the traces. You can trace like a thread on top of the bowl here about the soap batter. What it means that the oils and the lye, everything got emulsified. So it's a good thing. You're getting soap. That's how you get soap. Alright, so we're going to put my essential oil blend in here. And I noticed that this is a lavender 4042 in spearmint. And I know that this lavender in particular, kind of slows trace down a little bit. I kind of like it. Alright, so I'm going to blend this a little bit too and come back. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put a little bit of this batter in here in color with the color mica from red color mica from Bubbleberry here. So I'm going to put some of it in there. There we go, maybe a little more. Because we're going to reserve it for the piping too a little bit. I know we're going to have more than that. Okay, so what we're going to do now, I'm going to color. What I meant the opposite. I'm going to color this one. The big one is going to be red, and this one is going to have a little bit of titanium dioxide. I just said the opposite of what I meant. So we're going to put this in here. I love this color. It's so beautiful. What do you think, Kelsey? Do you like this color?
Yeah, it's nice.
One of your favorites, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Sorry about the noise. Okay, there you go. Beautiful. Alright, so now I'm gonna, what I'm gonna do, we're gonna do a little bit of an in-the-foot swirl. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of this in here. Oh, it's solidifying there. Well, that's okay. We're gonna mix it up. Let's see. It's getting thick already. That's okay. Gonna be great for piping. I'm gonna put a little bit more on that. And put it aside because I'm gonna use it for piping. Try not to mix too much. Okay. So, and now I'm gonna get my molds right here. And I'm going to see how many we can get with this. I'm going to put these in here. Oh, it's a little thick today, man. Okay guys, so I'm back. I put it in the mold right now, and they're gonna stay here for a couple days, maybe longer, because in this mold over here it kind of takes longer to dry out. Excuse me. But I changed my mind. I'm not gonna do the piping today on top of these, because you know, if I want to go over it I can't, because it's inside the mold. I wanted to do something a little bit different, but I think I'm gonna wait and do the piping after, when I mold them. So we'll see you guys in about, I don't know, 3 or 4, maybe 2 or 3 days, and we'll see what they look like, and we're gonna do the piping together. Alright, so see you in a flash. Okay guys, so we're back, and our little hearts are ready to go. They're ready to be decorated. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm going to put my little roses here. I'm gonna stick it on a little bit of this here. We're gonna make them, no, we're gonna put them over here. I'm gonna decide, I want this one over here, and I'm gonna put some, I'm gonna pipe a little bit of leaves on them. So I didn't film making the roses, but I made those roses over here because, you know, I forgot. I wanted to film it out, but I forgot. I wanted to record, I mean, no, film, I don't know, I'm talking like an old lady. I am old. Right, Kelsey?
No, you're not.
Well, you've been nice. Okay, so we're gonna do this. I don't know if you guys can see me. Can you see me, Kels?
Yes.
Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing this to all of them, okay? Alright, there you go. And then when I'm done with the piping of the leaves, I'm going to put little vines around it too, okay? So I'm going to put these guys here, and we're going to go to the next one. This one is a bigger one. I'm going to put them in a different, different places. They're not going to look all the same. I don't want them to look all the same. I want them to look a little bit different. So that's the glue. And then, there we go. Put the other one here. They're going to be a little bit different. They're not all going to be the same. We don't want them to be all the same. There you go. So that's the next one here. And I'm going to be decorating all of them like this. Okay, so I'm just going to put little tiny vines on them, curlicues like this. A little bit. Just because I like them. I don't think roses have that, but it doesn't matter. It's just my design, and what did they say? What did Bob Ross used to say, Kelsey? That in your world, this is your world.
There are no mistakes, only happy accidents.
And this is my world. Okay, and just a little bit of these kind of little accents. There you go. I'm going to show you guys what this looks like. I don't know if you can see very well. You see it, Kelsey? So that's what they're going to look like. Very similar. A little bit different because they're handmade. Alright. Vanilla cupcakes. So I'm just going to go and do the next one. Okay guys, we're back and this is what they look like. Our little hearts with the roses and the leaves and the little flowers of the little decoration over there. The little stars on top, the white stars. And I didn't put any glitter or anything like that this time. But I'm going to be making more. They're not going to have this roses. They're going to have different kind of flowers. And I'm going to make some Mother's Day ones too. And these are scented with lavender and mint. Right, Kelsey?
Right.
So that's what they look like. And they're going to be ready before Valentine's Day. They're going to be ready around the first week before Valentine's, so around February 10, even earlier. Alright. So if you guys like this video and if you like us to make more videos, please give us thumbs up. You can subscribe so you can help our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, and have a wonderful day or evening wherever you are in the world.